Alright guys, today we are going to look at how to multiply large numbers with something called the partial product method. Now you need to remember that a product is the answer to a multiplication problem, and partial means part or smaller. So we're going to find the answer to a multiplication problem by finding smaller products and then adding those products together. And I see that blurriness. We should have some autofocus happening here, I hope, in a second. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so let's start out with a really basic problem. Let's look at 78 times 6. Now remember that we are not using the standard algorithm until 5th grade, but we can use a partial product algorithm, and it looks very similar to a standard algorithm. The nice thing with partial products is we only have to know our basic facts. So I'm going to start here with my ones. So I'm going to circle my ones, and I know that 8 times 6 is 48. Easy peasy. And then I'm going to move over, and I need to multiply everything by this ones place over here. So now I'm going to look at my 7 times 6, but remember that that 7 is in the tens place, so it's actually 70. And I know that 7 times 6 is 42, and I know that 42 tens is the same as 420. So I'm going to take that 7 times 6 and make it 42 tens, which is 420. And now I just add those partial products. 8 plus 0 is 8, 4 plus 2 is 6, and then 4. So the product of 78 times 6 is 468. And I got that by finding two partial products. I knew that 8 times 6 was 48, and I knew that 70 times 6 was 420. And then I just added them together. We can try another one here. Right now I'm just sticking to 2 digits by 1 digit. Let's try 97 times 8. And we always follow that same process. I'm going to start out looking at my ones place. 7 times 8 is 56. And then I'm going to come over and look at my tens by my ones, remembering that that's actually 90. So 9 times 8 is 72. And since it's in the tens place, that's 72 tens. So 90 times 8 is 720. And then if I go ahead and add that, I have 6 plus 0, 5 plus 2, and then the 7. And remember that I got the 56 by multiplying 7 times 8, and I got the 720 by multiplying 90 times 8. So these are the partial products. This is the product. I know that 97 times 8 equals 776. This works if you're not really sure about your math facts. You can even break this up a little further if that helps you. So let's say I didn't know 7 times 8. What I do know is I know 7 is the same as 2 plus 5, and I know that 8 is the same as 3 plus 5. And this is nice because pretty much everyone knows their 2s, their 5s, their 1s, their 3s, their 10s. So here I just say 2 times 3 is 6. In this box, 2 times 5 is 10. Over here I have 3 times 5 is 15. And here 5 times 5 is 25. Well, 25 plus 10 is 35. 15 plus 6 is 21. And when I add those, I get 56. So we're working on our facts. We need to know them, but if you don't, remember you can always use this area model to help you out that way as well. We're going to keep practicing these, but come back, look at the videos, slow them down, rewind them, and Do your very best.